We're approaching a set of traffic light controlled crossroads and we'll be turning to the left. As we approach the hazard lights, we'll check the centre left door mirror, signal left. Now for our road positioning, we normally position either in the centre of our lane or about door's width from the curb, whichever keeps us closer. On this occasion, we will be sticking to the left of our lane. Other side of the road have parked cars, so if there is any oncoming traffic, they will need to borrow some of our space. So by us positioning to the left of our lane, there'll be plenty of space for us and the oncoming vehicle to keep things moving. As we move along, you'll see the road markings reading no right turn. So at this set of traffic lights, or at this set of crossroads, we're not allowed to turn right. There's also a sign on the traffic light telling us the same. Now we've completed the turn, check the centre, right door mirror, left door mirror and drive along.